Common mistakes every affiliate marketer needs to avoid. Discover the biggest mistakes that successful affiliate marketers wish they had known before getting started. Affiliate marketing takes a lot of industry knowledge, patience, and proper content strategy to get it right. By avoiding the biggest mistakes that most affiliate marketers make along the way, you'll be equipped with everything you need to create a successful business. Below, we share the best advice to build a successful affiliate program on content tips, SEO optimizations, and much more. Check out the most common mistakes affiliate marketers make and learn how to avoid them. It's easy to develop the mindset that getting conversions/sales is your number one priority as an online marketer. Instead, you should focus on creating high-value content above all else. Publishing low-quality content. Whether you like it or not, your content is your product as an affiliate marketer. Clicks are simply a result of great content that readers deem valuable and credible. Above all else, affiliate marketers should strive to produce high-quality content. Once you've identified the topic, you'll need to do keyword research to uncover what it will take to outrank the competition. Use a tool like Mozbar to uncover how many backlinks the competition has. Keep this length in mind as a general benchmark when writing your own content. Studies show that a post with at least one image ranks higher than those that don't have any. Once you've uncovered these details, you'll have the framework you need to write a top-ranking piece of content. From there, put as much time into promoting that newly published article as it took to write it. If your web page takes longer than 2 seconds to load, most of the time, a slow site can be attributed to server response times, large files, or method of content delivery. If you're on WordPress, there are a few plugins we find ourselves recommending time and time again to help. As a quick word of caution, caching plugins can cause issues with your website styling, so we'd recommend reaching out to your development team or an SEO expert to help. Cloudflare CDN. When in doubt, implement a CDN via the Cloudflare WordPress plugin to speed up the delivery of content. Not only will quicker load times help with user experience, but subsequently rankings and conversion rates as well. When it comes to font size, avoid using any font smaller than 16 points, particularly for mobile users. If you have to look up a word to use it when writing, don't include it. Before you hit publish, head over to Hemingway and see what grade your content is scoring. One of the common mistakes we often see with affiliate marketers is not investing the time to learn about what they're writing about. With the world's information at their fingertips, potential customers will be ready and willing to call your bluff if you don't know what you're writing about. Head over to Quora or Reddit to find out what questions people are asking about your niche. This will help in the long run, both in conversions and page engagement in the eyes of Google. Publishing a new post without proper SEO is like building a house without any roads to it. Without the proper title tag and meta description, you're making it very difficult, if not impossible, for people to find your content. Research the overarching theme of your post and strive to create a compelling title tag and meta description for potential visitors. The more your title tag and meta description resonates with the user, the more likely they are to click through to your page. Then you'll need to focus on writing compelling copy in your meta description and title tag. Otherwise, we'd recommend contacting an SEO expert to help with this. External links are the best way to indicate the credibility and authority of another site's content in the eyes of Google. Skim through your post and aim to identify opportunities to link to other pages across your site. The internet moves fast and it's up to us as content publishers to keep up. Particularly for long-term link building value. For those who aren't familiar, think of it as content that has a consistent volume of search queries throughout the year, over a long period of time. As you could imagine, evergreen content is often a much more competitive space. Other successful bloggers and content marketers are aware of the long-term value, so it can be difficult to compete in this space. It is also contested that evergreen content is not as valuable for affiliates because most are written around how-tos and instructional guides. While there is some validity to this argument, there is still an immense amount of link building value that comes from writing long-form sustainable content. To combat this, you can increase the value of your content even further by incorporating elements. Give your content strategy a second look.